Hi, this is Chelsea. At Suppleyes, we're always looking for ways that we can do things better. In our most recent initiative, we assessed our supplies cleaning range. We looked for ways that we could reduce packaging, reduce waste, and reduce our carbon footprint. We consulted with our chemist and discovered around 250 ml of raw product is required for a 5 litre bottle with many of our products. So we asked the question, could we safely send the customer just 250 ml concentrate and they add the water on site? And the answer was yes. We could reduce the plastic, waste and reduced emissions used to ship products, all by just adding the water at the end of the journey. We also considered the impact to you. Now you're saving heaps of space in your laundry, reducing your waste, helping us to reduce carbon emissions, and you're saving money. It's so simple to use. Simply reuse your existing 5 litre container by filling it with water to the handle line and add the concentrate. Pop your lid back on and tip it upside down a few times to agitate, and you're done. We hope that you too can see the benefits of this new product.